What's up? I'm starting my next vlog. I'm just chilling, about to do some stuff, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye! About to put my laundry away. I'm gonna go get a shower, because it's friggin' hot. I could tell you that it's 9 a.m. right now, and I've just been up and at it all day, but it's actually like 5 p.m., and I woke up at 1 p.m., and I'm just getting my day started now at 5 p.m.
We all waste a couple $100 here and there, so
trick. It was my parents' basement. Now there are around 4 or 5 people down there sitting on those triangle chairs eating sandwiches and chips. 3, 4, 5 cards. Now I took one card away, threw it in my little table, snapped my fingers, waved my hands, and incredibly than using the words, "That's amazing, Calvin!" That's amazing, Calvin! I'll do it for the cheap seat at the back. When I was around 15, folding chairs, eating sandwiches, chips, and all of that neat stuff. Well, guys, this was the very first trick in my very first show. I showed 1, 2, 3. Young lady, I'll tell you what. Which one would you like to see in the middle? So the yellow, the green, or the red? Which one would you like to see, the green or the red? Green? Everybody, what those fingers say in the mat?
that is, I think, as soon as those other boys came over to play basketball, because one kid said, I thought, sit there shooting. Sean is so cool. Everybody, yeah, the Reddings will be gone, the Nichols will be gone, the McDonald's will be gone. Wow.
When I came back, the wind just calmed down, and I could see it was dark over there just before I went.
Yeah.
Great-grandfather's place.
Oh, Dunville, not Hagersville.
Dunville.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to bed. It's like 10:40 something. I don't know, but it's Saturday night and Happy Canada Day.
Somebody like that who likes to know you have touch. And I ain't sleeping in a tent. And I'll never, ever show that, but I don't want to spend extra time.
What's up? I'm in the car, clearly. Yeah.
I used to go to baseball tournaments to see if little Vipers. I bought a funnel at Myrtle Beach for. Look, he's at North American Chocolate. Or two and died just down the street. Just down the street. There's one of Danny's trucks. See, because I was going to cook 2 packs to take home.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he had all that sausage in the freezer.
Sausage. Now, do I try a hot dog? Because and then I won't know which one bothered me, right? So I didn't.
I cooked extra hot dogs.
Well, and if they ever let you know stuff, we would make other drinks, purposely make food people don't.
Yep. And Monica Vlogs. It's gonna be a good thing. Anyway, what I was saying was I haven't really been in the mood to vlog today, so I apologize. So yeah, it's gonna suck, but whatever. It's good to see you. Thanks for watching. Bye.